New lenses can make a remarkable improvement on the exterior looks of your car. Most often, owners don't realize that their lenses have deteriorated significantly. The most obvious sign of age is cracking, but fading and scratching of the lenses also degrades the appearance of the car. The installation of new lenses is probably the easiest way to instantly improve the looks of your 911. The rear lenses simply unscrew from the housing. Use a new rear tail lamp seal when installing your new lenses to keep water out of the housing. Make sure that it seats properly when you install the lens. The front turn signals and side markers also easily unscrew from the housing. Make sure that you clean out the inside of the housing before replacing the lens. Doing so will increase the reflectivity of the mirror-type surface on the inside and make your lights grow brighter and more uniform. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.